Hey guys, today we're working on this Kawasaki 23 horsepower engine. Just be doing an oil change and some general cleanup on it. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get started. First thing we need to do is actually just get the oil warmed up. So we'll go ahead and start the engine. All right, so now the oil's good and warmed up. So we'll just pull the seat forward like that and lift it up like that. All right, so let's first of all get that hose hooked up. Okay, so there's a little nub there on the side of that where you can hook up the hose to. So let me hook that up real quick and I'll show you how that looks. All right, so with a fair bit of huffing and hawing, we got the hose connected. So now all we gotta do is just get a 10 millimeter or the equivalent and just open that up and then make sure we got the little hose going into the oil pan or your collection device of choice. Just set that like that. Whatever, it doesn't really matter as long as it's being collected. Turn that and open it up. All right, and let's make sure oil is flowing over here. It'll take a long time. And we can also open up the oil fill. That'll let air in. And we have oil. So there it goes. And yeah. So we'll just let that drip like that, and then we'll come back once it's done. This on here, way too tight. These should be hand tightened at most. Alright, let's see if we're able to do it all the way. All right, so there we go. There's the old oil filter. And we'll just dump that over so it can drain all the old oil out of that, like that. And oops, we're making a mess there. And we're getting real close to being done here, but not quite. All right, guys, check it out. That is the last of the oil. So what we're gonna do here is we got to get the new oil filter on, and what we're gonna do is just fill up the oil filter just a little bit with oil. So now that we've got some oil in there, we'll just take a little bit of that new fresh oil and just rub it around the gasket like that. And then we can go ahead and put this new one on. So I'll just put on this new one. See how much of a mess we can possibly make. All right. Gotta tighten this up. Close that in. Okay, that's nice and sealed up. Okay, I'll pull out the cord. Okay, and yeah, let's put in the new oil. Okay, there we go. All right, we'll check where we are with that. All right, and let's see where that puts us. All right. All right, 2. So probably end up putting in the rest of this. All right, and we are full. All right, so we'll close that up. And make sure that's tight. That's tight. Now we'll start and run the engine for a moment. We'll check the oil level again after running it, just to make sure once the oil has been pressurized, goes through the filter and everything, that we didn't lose a little bit of level. And it all looks good here. Changing oil, or really anything to do with oil, always ends up being just a messy business. At least I'm messy at it, so it takes a while to clean everything up. Alrighty, guys. Well, that's about it. Hopefully that's helpful to someone. You can really save yourself $1 or $2 doing this yourself as compared to paying $200, $300 for someone else to come out here and do it. So if you enjoyed the video, be sure to subscribe, drop a like below, and comment any questions you have, and we'll see you next time.